Hi there! If you are an ambitious forever business owner, then I'm sure that you have set your target on qualifying for the Yes You Can incentive. And although we are at the start of the last qualifying month already, you can still reach that target even within 1 month, providing you were 4cc active in the previous 2 months. And there is all reason to do your utmost to qualify for this incentive, because the reward will be an epic trip to the beautiful Mediterranean coast of south of France. Who wouldn't like to spend a few days in Cannes, where a significant part of the cost will be paid by Forever? And today I can reveal a bit more of what will be waiting there for you in Cannes, if you qualify. On Friday, for example, about noon, we will start a special training session for qualifiers with a lot of hotshots in the Forever world. You will learn from one of the fastest growing FBOs in Europe, the Italian Fabiola Castel. Another fast-growing FBO in Europe, Georgiana Stru from Romania, will be training you as well. And the by far most successful FBO ship in Europe, represented by Dominic Kipp, will also take care of another training. And then you will meet the #1 in the Forever world, Honami Takagi from Japan. But you will also be up close and personal with our new president of Forever, Aidan Hoare, and our CEO, Greg Moon. And after this power training, you will be invited to a magical beach party. Dress code will be white and red, and you will enjoy a night to remember at the beach of Cannes. And then on Saturday morning we will start with a 2-hour product training with Gary Shreve and Holly Stout, followed by the Friends Success Day in the afternoon, where you, as a qualifier for this incentive, will be recognized on stage. The translations will be provided for most languages, so you do not have to miss anything. Well, I'm sure that you will have recognized that this event was exactly designed for you, so make sure you qualify, so you can enjoy the trip that you deserve. Now go out and speak to some more people about Forever today. Who knows, the people you contact today might be the key to your qualification end of April. Good luck and see you in Cannes!